guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So as you can see, I do have a MelodySusie Your Nail box to unbox for you guys and to show you. So I did open it and it did come with some white lint-free nail wipes. And it also came with some nail tips. These are full cover nail tips, so these are usually used for press-ons, or even you can even use it for the lazy method for polygel. And this box also came with some pink sanding bands, and it came with a sanding drill bit as well. And this kit also came with 2 cuticle pushers and a cuticle nipper and a nail tip cutter, as well as a nail drill bit, and it's all iridescent, which I love. So now I'm just going to get started on nail prep. I am going to apply some cuticle oil just to create a peel off base coat today, since I do want to use the pop off method. After I'm done rubbing in the cuticle oil, I am going to apply some top coat on all of my nails, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Once I'm done with that, I am going to adhere my tips to my nails using base coat, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp as well for 30 seconds. I did do some slight shaping and trimmed them off camera. I'm going to take that pink sanding band from the MelodySusie nail box, and I'm going to blend the tip with the natural nail. Now we're ready to apply base coat on all of the nails, and I'm going to also cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So for today's polygel, I am using the Emeli, one of the pink shades, and from the polygel kit that they have, and I am going to place a bead at the tip of my nail, and I'm just going to start working my way upwards and spreading the polygel around just to get a nice structure for the tip of the nail. And once I'm satisfied or done with this bead, I am going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds and then place another cuticle bead. And once I'm done with that as well, I am going to cure for 60 seconds. Next, I am going to take this white gel polish from Madame Glam called Riverwalk, and I'm going to use this to draw the French tip. Next, I am going to take some rhinestone glue so that we can glue on our charms. I am going to take a little bit, I'm not going to take too much, I'm going to apply just a tiny bit of rhinestone gel so that I can glue on the heart charm. To finish this look off, I am going to take some top coat and I'm going to apply that on the entire nail, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is a really simple and cute Hello Kitty set. I have everything that I used linked in the description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also do not forget to use my code thenailwizrd12 to get 12% off on all MelodySusie products.